Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I am equipped to fashion, travel, lifestyle, and a lot more, and welcome back to another video. And for this video we will be discussing my monthly favorites of January 2021. So it's going to be the first favorites of 2021 and I'm really excited, and I hope this channel grows with time and you guys keep on watching these monthly favorites every month from me. And for this month I have some really exciting things, exciting news, and there's a lot more to share, so let's get started. Okay, so let's start with one very amazing news that in this month I gave my first interview for a magazine. Personally, I've given interviews, but I've never given interview for a magazine, and it was for their digital things. So basically the video is on YouTube, so you can check that out. I'll link it in the description so that you can go and see that video. So the next thing is also very amazing. So that is that I finally hit 21k on Instagram. So I hit 20k on August, in like August 2020, and this 1k journey was like very long. Like starting में भी मुझे around 3-4 months में 3-4k हो गए थे, and उसके बाद हमेशा ऐसा सही साइकिल चलता रहा है, but this time it took 6 months for 20 से 21 पहुंचने में. But I know I have put a lot of effort. I do put a lot of effort and time into Instagram, and the speed was very slow, but finally we have hit this mark. And like last year September October में I was thinking कि 21 कब होंगे, and this month I wrote down कि मुझे 21 इस महीने में चाहिए, and that happened. You know, what you manifest you get it, so that's my mantra. Then there was a very fun experience which I experienced. So there's a newly opened thing in Chandigarh which is open theatre. So I know people from Pune, Bangalore are already aware about this because they have open theatres, but in Chandigarh there was not any single open theatre, but now it's finally opened. It's near New Chandigarh. I have a detailed review and reel on them on my Instagram, so if you wanna know more details about that, you can go to Instagram and check that out. Being an influencer, it's a perk for me that I get to experience things firsthand, and you know, सबसे पहले I get to experience them, so that's a perk of my job, and I'm very happy and grateful about that. So next up I have some products for you, and the first one is this Simba lifestyle planner right here. So guys, this planner I got from, there's a YouTuber Mridul Sharma. If you don't follow her content, you definitely should. She's a very great YouTuber. I look up to her content every single time. I cannot miss any of her videos. So she has a page which is Simba Lifestyle, and on that she sells stationery and a lot of other things as well. So she has designed this planner herself. This looks amazing. It has like monthly wala details, and it has a lot of things, so you can really like plan your day and do everything really nicely. So I've been using this since 2021 and I'm really happy with the planner. The best part about this planner is that it has a habit tracker, so you can write the habit you want to track, and then there are 31 days written here, so you can just tick mark जिस दिन वो किया. Like supposedly I wanna say eating junk, so जिस दिन खाऊंगी I can, you know, just mark, and then at the end of the month I know मैंने कितने दिन बाहर का खाना खाया, जो कि मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. So yeah, you can just track any of your habits of your choice. My next favorite thing is this necklace. So I got this from Lifestyle. I didn't know which brand is this from, but Lifestyle has their own brands, and this is from that. So this was for, I guess, 400 or maybe 500. This very nice golden chain, and this has like nice chotu se like pendants, or what do you want to call them, like stones hanging, and I really like this necklace. This looks so pretty. It looks amazing even with high necks, low necks, whatever you wear. I'm really liking this whole design and choker and a little bit of layering thing, and I think I'll get more of these really soon. Okay, so it's time for me to share my favorite snack of the month. So my favorite snack is caramel popcorn. Guys, इस महीने लोहड़ी थी तो popcorns and कच्चा gravy हम सबने बहुत खाई है, but my favorite is caramel popcorn. I so love this. Like this is from Baba Dairy. I guess ये second या third डब्बा है जो मैंने खाया है, and it's so love these popcorns. They are so amazing, but they are like very meatha also, so I try not to eat them a lot, but they taste really good. Really good. So the only skincare product I have is this body butter in the flavor Pink Lotus from Body Cupid. The packaging is so nice, like it's so pretty, and it has great quantity. It was filled till here, I feel, and you know, I've used a lot of this. It is a really good and nice body butter, and I think for winters it's great. This is also not very expensive. This is for 400 and I think it's worth every penny. It's a really good body butter. Next up, I have a combo for hair, which is the Just Herbs Lush Methi Shikakai shampoo, and this is the hair mask, which is Amla, Shakan Pushpi and Bhringraj. This is for dull, dry, damaged hair, and I've used this like 4-5 times, and I totally love my hair after this. They are like very soft, and they do not have a lot of frizz. Like right now also I've not applied any serum, but I'm very sure if I apply a serum it will be even smoother. And Just Herbs is an Ayurvedic brand. It is an Indian brand, and it is not tested on animals, and there are a lot of good things about these products, and I really like the Just Herbs products as well. Like बाकी भी मैंने आपको काफी products उनके दिखाए हैं. The packaging is really nice, basic, simple and elegant, and the products are really good. And last, I want to share a fashion favorite. So I have these boots. So these are from this brand called Pierre de Fior, if you can read it. And guys, I so wanted a Chelsea boots, and I wanted a knee-length boots, and here I have with me. So these are my Chelsea. So these are my Chelsea boots. This is how it looks. It is a really nice boot. You know, you can see the silver detailing. It has elastic here, zipper here, and I totally love the quality. It's really good. And guys, do not ask me कि ये कहाँ से मिलेंगे, because I don't know ये इंडिया में कहाँ से मिलेंगे. I wanted, and one of my sisters was coming. मैंने उनको पहले बोला था एक बार कि हाँ मेरे लिए कभी ले आना, and to my surprise she brought these this time, and she already knew my foot size, so it was total surprise for me. And I wanted boots and I got boots, and I think that's something about manifestation. So if you want something in your head, just, you know, you keep on reminding yourself, yeah, I need that, and one day it will come to you. And that happened with me in the case of these boots, especially not in these ones. I'll say कि Chelsea boots यहाँ भी मिल जाते. I didn't personally look out for this time, but these boots जिसका डब्बा भी मेरे से बड़ा है, I wanted them since so long, and I wanted them to be really good quality ताकि मैं 3-4 साल कहीं ना जाएं. Which are these boots? And you know, I wanted कि इतनी heel हो, and you know, she didn't even ask me कि मेरे को कैसे boots चाहिए. I just said कि हाँ मुझे knee length boots चाहिए, and she got the perfect thing. Like मुझे इतनी ही heel चाहिए थी, मुझे plain basic black चाहिए थे. You know, can you see how they shine? And you know, मैंने जितनी बार इसमें Instagram पे photo डाली, I've got a lot of DMs. It also has a elasticated thing here, so it can fit according to your you know, calf, and that's really good. And I really like these shoes. Oh my god, I am in love with them, and they look amazing. They look so beautiful. And yeah, that's it. And with that, guys, we finished this video, and we finished the monthly favorites of the January, and I hope to do more favorites soon. You keep on watching them and keep on loving them. I'll keep on making them. And that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye guys. I love you so much.